You got another race car?
Yeah. Mommy, are these mine?
I think so. What else do you have over there?
Mommy!
Here, come here. Let me see, Paige. I can't see anything.
Mommy, look!
Okay.
Can I open this? Yep, I was right. And it's on Blu-ray. Hey, look, I got Tinkerbell and the Great Fairy Rescue.
Sweet.
Sweet. Daddy?
Yeah.
Help me.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
RPM.
No, my car. Daddy, that car.
Cars.
Yeah.
Are you excited about this?
Mm-hmm.